Ritwa Salgaa ti ritwa igeni matu-ini ma muingi wa bururi wa Kenya. Ritwa riria ringigwetwo ria rahoraga mbica ngurani cia ngumo ya itura riri, imwe wacio ire mitino miuru ya barabara, biashara ya kwiyendia kimwiri iguru ria ngumo ingi njuru cia gucambicura ritwa ria itura riri. Iguru ria maya muingi wa itura riri ukoretwo na mateta kihiri kuri thirikari nene ya kaunti kumana na wagi wa motungata mabata mai matheru ma kunywa, mitaro ya gute mai ma giko na ma muihuro, ndumwe na wagi wa iharo cia kuhuthirwo ni muingi ta thoko kana kiharo kia micemanio, maya mothe makiiga hatikaini ugaciru wa itura riri. No riu ngumo na Riri wa itura riri waya gucenjia matuko mokite thutha wa thirikari ya Naikuru na ruhonge rwa World Vision kuiguithaniria kwambika tabarira ngurani cia uthii wa nambere mwena uyu, muoroto munene uri kugitira mwana wa Salgaa.
Salgaa residents and especially young teenage girls and boys have greatly been affected by the commercial sex activities in the area. This has caused the young girls to drop out of school, and therefore we appeal the attention of well-wishers to come with a way of helping them out.
Niko hitukira mubango mugima wa kugitira mwana, itura riri ritanyitwo kugunekana weji wa marima ma mai ma kunywa, mathukuru mwena uyu magitanywo gwakirwo cioro, ndumwe na gutabanio kwa mubango wa gutara ciana kumana na ngui cia kimuci na wikuruhania wa ciiko cia kuonana kimwiri mari anini.
Tunasema maji ni uhai, lakini haya maji hatuna kweli. Maji yetu ni chafu, tunatumia maji ya mtoni.
Akiaria gikaro-ini kia umuthi, gavana wa Naikuru Kinyanjui nieranire wirutiri wa thirikari yake hari gucenjia riri wa tauni ino, kuria ekiriire bata wa kugitira ciana nini kumana na uhaguku wa mitugo iri njira ya kugia na ruciaro rurugamu kuma Salgaa.
Children have to choose between going to work at the age of 9 or going to school. And they are not making that choice because they are probably naughty or don't want to go to school, but because they have to put bread or ugali at the end of the day, then we are denying that child a future.
Makiria gavana Kinyanjui ni athingatite anyiti itemi matiganite guthii na mbere na gutabania tabarira cia ukuria wa matura, akiuga thirikari yake ni irikitie kuiga keheri-ini muigana wa ciringi milioni 20 hari gukinyaniria kioneki giki gia tauni ya Salgaa.
We need to look for organized structures. I like the World Vision approach. They have a corporate way of doing it. You can do it by M-Pesa, you can give to them. They even have attached a particular program in case what you want is counseling and whatever support, and therefore we will stand with you at the county level.
Ngirifootera Kameme TV kuma tauni ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa maina.